Now let's talk about the today's POD questions of LeetCode. Basically, it is medium type question. Problem number is 1291. Problem name is sequential digits. Now let's read what the question says. A integer has sequential digits if and only if each digit in a number is one more than the previous digit. What it means, an integer will be called as a sequential digit if and only if each digit in a number is one more than previous digit. That means suppose for example 1, 2, 3 is a sequential digit because the previous digit and that the next digit is one more than that previous digit. It means the 2 is one more than 1 and 3 is one more than 2. That's the sequential digit, and that's the statement means what it want to say. And we have to do, return a sorted list of all integers in the range low, comma, high, inclusive that have sequential digit. We have to return a sorted list of all integers that lie between the low, comma, high inclusively. Let's take first examples. Low is 100 and high is 300. We have to find between 100 and 300, including 100 and 300, how many sequential digits are, or which numbers are the sequential digits. So as the output shows, 123, 123 is the sequential and 234 is the sequential. Now let's see the second example. Low is 1000 and high is 30,000. This all are the sequential lies between the 1000 and 13,000. We have constrained all the digits are greater than 10 and less than equals to 10 to the power 9. What I have does here is that first I have basically observed the mathematical observation. I saw very less numbers of the sequential digits exist between the intervals of the 100 and 200. Using that in the observation, I have stored the all the sequential digits that is greater than 10 and less than equals to 10 to the power 9. After storing that, I have created a vector result and iterating all the elements. There are total 36 elements in this sequential digit from 10 to 1, 10 to the power 9. I have iterated one by one and check whether it is greater than the low and less than equals to the high. If any digit lie between our low and high, then it will be our answer. That digit I have pushed on the result factor. After populating the result factor, I have returned the result successfully. That's all about its approach and the solution. Let's talk about the time complexity and space complexity. Its time complexity will be for iterating to for loop, it will be take 36. That is, you can say equals to big O of 1. That is constant time it's take. And yeah, we have do it in the constant type by storing the all the sequence digit lying between the given interval. Now let's talk about the space complexity. We have used total a vector to store the 36 elements. That also tends to almost constant space complexity. That's the medium problem we have done in big of one of time complexity as well as space complexity. That's all about the today's LeetCode POD problem. If you have any doubt, you can comment or ask. Thank you. Have a nice day. That's all about today's. Thank you again.